Hey guys, Dave here from Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. In this video, we will transfer black and white photo to color with Photoshop AI Neuro filters. To do so, select your image. You need to connect your internet and log in with your Adobe ID. Then check your image. If it is a gray circle mode, then change it to RGB color mode. Then filter, Neuro filter. And here are the filter called colorizer. Enable this slide bar. Photoshop AI process will do the rest job and will make this black and white photo to color in just one click. This is colorizer by default and did pretty good job. Now here are a lot of presets. Click one by one and check them. Below you will always have an option to increase or decrease saturation, color correction, noise reduction and rest options. So feel free and keep experimenting with these slide bars to get your best result. This is before and after. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my work with Photoshop, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe this Adobe Vibe YouTube channel. Also, you can check out the other amazing video just waiting for you in this channel playlist. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video soon.